Hello everyone, welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel. Today, we have something special to talk about that can truly elevate your kitchen experience. We're diving into the WEWE Waterfall with Pull Down Sprayer, rotary switch, 3 modes kitchen faucet, and we'll explore all the features that make it stand out from the crowd. If you are interested in purchasing this kitchen faucet, click on the link in the description below the video. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more reviews and home improvement tips. Let's get started. The WEWE Waterfall kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer is a stylish and functional faucet that is sure to enhance your kitchen. It features a sleek waterfall spout, a pull-down sprayer with 3 spray modes: sweep, stream, and waterfall, and a rotary switch mode for easy switching between spray and stream. The faucet is made of durable stainless steel and has a brushed nickel finish that will complement any kitchen decor. Here are the specific features of the WEWE Waterfall with Pull Down Sprayer, Rotary Switch 3 Modes Kitchen Faucet. New version WEWE Kitchen Faucet features 3 new version spray modes: stream for filling containers, sweep for efficient dish washing with a button, and waterfall for delicate ingredient cleaning. Easily switch modes by rotating the nozzle or pressing its button. Easy to operate with single handle, 22 inches pull-out hose, and 360 rotatable design. It offers a wider and more flexible range of use. Simple forward or backward adjustment for easy hot and cold water adjustment. Healthy quality craft from high quality 300 for stainless steel with a lead-free composition for water purity. This sink faucet ensures long-lasting durability, making it a reliable choice for maintaining a healthy and sustainable kitchen. Easy installation, no plumber or specialized tools needed. Just a few easy steps to install the kitchen faucet with sprayer takes minutes, akin to twisting a bottle cap. 5-year assurance. Our commitment to your satisfaction is unwavering. We provide a 5-year warranty for this faucet for kitchen sink. Should any concerns arise, kindly reach out to us for prompt assistance within 24 hours. Here are some of the key features of the WEWE Waterfall kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer. Waterfall spout for a beautiful and modern look. Pull-down sprayer with 3 spray modes: sweep, stream, and waterfall for versatility. Rotary switch mode for easy switching between spray and stream, made of durable stainless steel for long-lasting use. Single lever handle for easy control of water flow and temperature. Here are some potential pros and cons of the WEWE Waterfall kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer and rotary switch 3 modes. Pros: stylish design, versatility, functionality, durability, water conservation, warranty. Cons: maintenance, availability. Overall, the WEWE Waterfall kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer and rotary switch 3 modes offers a range of features that can enhance your kitchen experience, but it's essential to consider both the pros and cons to determine if it meets your specific needs and preferences. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video review of the WEWE Waterfall with pull-down sprayer, rotary switch 3 modes kitchen faucet. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement videos.